Hello user. Today we will talk about the debouncing concept. Before going to this code, if you're not subscribed my channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon. So next uploaded videos, you will get the notification with the new topics. Yeah, let's dive into the code. So I created a two file. One is index.html and another one is index.js file. So whatever created previously, how we are created HTML, the same thing we added for the debouncing also. So if you're not watching my previous video, the topic is throttling, so please watch my previous video. And same thing, also HTML we added here. There is nothing difference for the debouncing and throttling, so except little difference. So the first and end event trigger, and this is the time period. After time period exits, the function will trigger. That's the difference. Let's write the function for that debouncing. Const debouncing debounce, then create an arrow function and pass the two argument. One is a callback and another one is uh, duration duration or time, whatever. Okay, so create one local variable for let clear the timeout for the debouncing. Clear time and write a return function with the arrow function. Okay, so here you can use the spread operator for the existing arguments combined in the array, the new array. So here first execute before call function execute, if the let's clear it, then next line of the code you will execute a set timeout. Create a set timeout and set timeout, pass the callback function to here, callback function of with the spread augments. Okay, so what is the time period? Here we given this callback function executed this within this period. So set timeout, it will return on value. The value is pass the value to the clear time. Okay, so here the debouncing, what happened is uh, the function should not be executed. Correct, the function should not be executed until or unless this complete this time duration. So for that, whatever, if the clear timeout as a value, clear the timeout, clear timeout, so then this will work as we are expected. So select the elements button id, uh, document dot query selector of id attribute btn is a button attribute name, add event listener for that, create a click event for that, and write that debounce, call the debounce, right, debounce, and create a one argument of the function and pass that 4 second for the time delay to execute this function. Log it. So debouncing demo. Okay, so that's it, guys. So here what it happened is, before execute the callback function, what this function, this one, right, this function. So if the time of if user click on the button again and again multiple times within this period, okay, the time limit, within this time limit, if user click on multiple hundred of time or whatever the times, multiple times, if it click the clear timeout, clear time variable, if a value should be clear it out, set timeout will not execute. Okay, so Set timeout, it will not, I mean, inside the set timeout function, it will not execute the callback function. So if users stop the clicking listen button, so it will execute. If it is there clear timeout, then set timeout it will be execute. Then callback function it will trigger. So let's see the example. Let's dive into go live server. So here, see. If I will hit, I given the time limit as a 4 second. So if I click within the 4 second multiple times, if I trigger the function, it will not execute. So if I stop, I stopped. Okay. So one, two, three, four. So see now debouncing is executed one time. If again, if user click multiple times, it will not trigger. So if you stop, then debouncing function it will be executed second time. That's it, guys. So if you have any query, please write the comment of my channel, this video. Thank you.